our next chapter of physics, that is heat. So let's see. In a winter, we sit in the sun and feel warm. This is because of the heat energy of the sun. So the sun is a vast source of heat energy, and that energy is utilized for various purposes. The heat energy is a form of energy which we cannot see but we can feel it. The examples of heat energy are: from the sun we are getting heat energy, and that heat energy gets utilized to evaporate the water from the sea, ponds and lake, as well as the burning of the fuel. On burning of the fuel, there is a release of the heat energy, and that heat energy is useful for cooking purposes. Same way, if we rub our palms, there is a generation of the heat energy. So in this case, the mechanical energy of our body gets converted into the heat energy. So it also shows there is a production of the heat on rubbing the palms together. So these are some examples of the heat energy. Now let's see the definition of heat energy. Heat is a form of energy and which flows from hot body to the cold body when they kept in a contact. Example, if we touch to the hot water, we will feel hot. This is because of heat energy of that water is getting transferred towards our body, and which is a cold body. So this is called as heat energy flows from hot body to the cold body. Whenever energy gets absorbed by the body, then there is an increase in temperature of that body, and when heat energy is released, in that case there is a decrease in temperature of the body. Units of the heat. As we know, heat is a form of the energy. So its SI unit is joule. The symbol of joule is capital J. Other units of heat energy are calorie and kilocalorie. Kilocalorie is a bigger unit than the calorie. The relation between kilocalorie and calorie is 1 kilocalorie equals to 1000 calorie. So let's see definition of calorie and kilocalorie. 1 calorie is defined as the heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. And 1 kilocalorie is defined as the heat energy required to increase the temperature of 1 kilogram of water by 1 degree Celsius. Joule and calorie are related to each other such a way 1 calorie equals to 4.2 joule, or 1 joule equals to 0.24 calorie. In our day-to-day life, we often come across the hot or cold bodies, and we uses the word lukewarm, very cold, hot, warm and so on. If we will touch to the lump of ice, we say that it is very cold. If we touch water from the geyser, we say that it is very hot. So by the sense of touch, we can identify the hot or the cold body. But our sense of touch is not reliable to tell the degree of hotness or the coldness. So here we need the new term known as temperature. So let's define the temperature. Temperature is the quantity which tells us degree of hotness or coldness of the body. As if we will heat the body, the temperature will increase, and if we will cool the body, then temperature will decrease. Now let's see the units of temperature. There are 3 units of temperature. First, degree Celsius. It is denoted by the symbol degree and C. Second unit of measurement of temperature is Degree Fahrenheit. It is denoted with the help of degree symbol and capital F. Degree Fahrenheit. Third unit of the temperature is Kelvin. It is denoted by capital K. The Kelvin is SI unit of the temperature. Next, measurement of temperature. Temperature can be measured by the device called as a thermometer. There are two types of thermometer, clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer is used by the doctors to measure the temperature of patient or temperature of human being. The second type of thermometer is laboratory thermometer and which is used in the laboratory purposes. The structure of thermometer, which is a glass capillary tube. On it, marking is present from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. The capillary tube is called as a stem. It has bulb at one end. Bulb is filled with the mercury, and when bulb is kept in contact with the hot body, the mercury in it will expand and it will show different reading. There are total 120 equal division between the given readings. Thermometer is a device which is used to measure the temperature of the body. In the laboratory, we uses the laboratory thermometer. Whenever we are using thermometer, the bulb of the thermometer we have to keep in contact of the hot body. Let's see measurement of temperature of water by using thermometer. Take a water in a beaker and place the thermometer vertically inside the beaker such that its bulb is immersed in water. Then wait for some time. After it, mercury level will increase and it will show the different reading on it according to the temperature of the water. So let's see now. So the temperature is 100 degree Celsius. Next, scales of temperature. There are three scales of temperature: Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scales. Celsius scale was introduced by Swedish astronomer Celsius and is known after his name. On this scale, the ice point is marked as 0 degree Celsius and steam point is marked as 100 degree Celsius. The interval between ice point and steam point is divided into 100 equal parts. Each division is called as 1 degree Celsius and it is denoted by degree capital C. This scale is widely used in scientific work. Fahrenheit scale. This scale was introduced by Fahrenheit. On this scale, ice point is 32 degree Fahrenheit and steam point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. The interval between ice point and steam point is divided into 180 equal parts and each part is called as a degree Fahrenheit. This scale is generally used for clinical purposes. Degree Fahrenheit is denoted by degree and capital F symbol. Kelvin scale or absolute scale of temperature. It was designed by scientist Kelvin. The temperature on this scale represented by the symbol T and unit is Kelvin. The ice point is at 273 Kelvin and the steam point on this scale is 373 Kelvin. On this scale, 0 mark is at temperature when no molecular motion can occur. The interval between ice point and steam point is divided into 100 equal parts. Ice point. The lower fixed point of the thermometer is called as the ice point. Steam point. The upper fixed point of the thermometer is called as steam point.